Atinye kamangunet ale imite komye eng olda tugul ole imite ako atochin eng tetutiet nebo kas mashinani nebo rani kwoeng kasi tarik 18 arawetab 11 kenyitab 2025 no mite tuai eng rani kwane Bernard Tanui ara itagat wendi bunge nebo National Assembly kogure minister nebo ripsetab kalyet eng emet orit Kipchumba Murkomen kwa tainyi asi ko aror amune asitomo kikoito kibandok eng neranik chekikotil kibandok chotok eng counties chemite North Eastern kosubkei ak speaker nebo National Assembly Moses Wetangula komagat kekonyit ng'atutietab president kotinygei ak tilet ak kokoitoetab kibandok eng North Eastern ak kunotok kekure Murkomen kwa bunge asikoaror notok kong'ololi Wetangula eng sub-county nebo Kadera Fafi Ward yikongondochini tetutik chebo bandab tai ole komitei ak kandoik kobun kebeberata chekoibor kaimetabgei akobo netomo kokon serikali kibandok chekikotil neranik eng counties chebo North Eastern.
We appreciate. Unfortunately, there is another thing that is a hurdle. They call it validation in Nairobi. There is no production of IDs from Northern Kenya. So we are asking, when are we getting the IDs? Vetting has been removed. The IDs are not coming back. Who is this sabotaging His Excellency the President? Why is production a problem? Something must be done about the production of IDs, Your Excellency.
Wamezungumzia mambo ya vipande. Rais alitoa amri na tukakubaliana kule bunge kwamba Mkenya yeyote akienda kupata kipande hapa Northern Kenya na kwingine hakuna masharti yeyote na hakuna malipo. Tumeambiwa masharti haiko, lakini vipande inachelewa kuja. Mimi naenda kuita kwa bunge au wabunge wetu mheshimiwa ambaye anasimamia vipande Kipchumba Murkomen akuje tumueleze, ahakikishe kila mtu akiandikisha kipande isichukue zaidi ya wiki 2 kipande kufika hapa. Na hao wabunge wetu wote nitawaitia Murkomen next week ili mumuulize maswali mbele yangu aweze kusaidia wananchi vile wananchi wanasaidia kwingine, kwa sababu hapa Northern Kenya, hapa Fafi, hapa Garissa, Wajir na kule Mandera, kila Mkenya ana haki kama Mkenya mwingine yeyote kupata kipande ili kipande msaidie kupata kazi ya serikali.
Ketesetai kokoito kampunitab Kenya Power tenders chebo olietab bilion 3.5 koityi neranik, kwonyik ak biik chetindoi kewelutikab borto koite kakisunetab kei nebo kenyit nebo yaetab mung'aret nekiit let eng tarik 30 arawetab 6 kenyini. Nitok ko teset neite kebeberta 487 eng 100 nebo tenders cheikoitoi Kenya Power koityi neranik, kwonyik ak biik chetindoi kewelutikab borto eng emet ngegerchin ak tenders chebo million 614 chekikitobonji bichotok eng kasarta neu noto eng kenyitab 2024 kosubkei ak General Manager nebo Supply Chain and Logistics eng Kenya Power Dr. John Ngeno kochobot Kenya Power kotestai kokochi tenders bichotok eng kenyisiek chebwone kou eng arorutietab serikali nebo Access to Government Procurement Opportunities Framework ACPO nemwoe kole magat eng kampunisiekab serikali kotaban kebeberta 30 eng 100 nebo tenders tugul chekikochi neranik, kwonyik ak biik chetindoi kewelutikab borto eng emet.
ACPO is Access to Government Procurement Opportunities, and these are to the groups that we think are now women, youths, and persons with disability. I said last year we were intentional in meeting the youths, intentional in sensitizing them, intentional in actually training them. And out of those initiatives, I think this year we've done very well. Out of a target of 5.6 billion, we achieved 3.5 billion, which to me is 62%. We have never hit over 50% with a lot of happiness the way we did last year. It is a target that is worth celebrating. We saw a lot of good uptake by the youths and even the women. We will keep encouraging, and now that we hit over 50%, we are at 62%. We are hopefully that in this year, the only thing that I can say we need to overcome is to train them in EGP, which is now the big camel in the house. We ensure that we train them, we ensure that they are sensitized, we ensure that we encourage them so that as we move towards EGP, they also comply. Our trainings is mainly how to ensure that they understand how Kenya Power does its tendering. It includes even bidding itself, taking them through specs, doing examples of how we actually do the bidding, and out of it we also listen to them on where they get challenges, so that even as we think about meeting their needs, we already know what they want. We run our tenders through what we call SRM system, which is basically a track and trace system, whereby you digitally actually put your tenders. What EGP is now coming to do is what we've been doing, and maybe it will also grow to where we are and even be perfect and more. But basically, we don't run physical tenders the way they are run anywhere else. You bid electronically, and it has track and trace. In this case, you cannot actually tamper with it when we open. We ensure that it's as open as possible. And wherever we actually give out results, notify whoever wins, wherever anybody is aggrieved, we have what we call, we invite them to our own offices, even open the systems for them to see, take them through the evaluation the way it has been done to ensure that they are as happy as possible. In this case, we've reduced complaints to near zero. We've set aside certain goods that we think are not complicated, but over time we believe that when they get the tenders and keep growing within Kenya Power, over time they can also reach out to the complex tenders. So it's a journey. They start with the small ones and complicated ones. Over time they understand the intrigues in actually doing the issues of technical tenders, and they keep growing. And wherever we see any PWD who is interested in growing, we really encourage and even attach certain engineers to keep educating them on what is required in terms of technicality, so they don't fear to fail and think that they are separate from the other bidders. Buy Kenya, Build Kenya is also a compliance issue that we must do under the Ministry of Industry, whereby they encourage that in all the tenders that we do, at least 40% can come to Kenyans who can develop for the future, also build up, also companies can come, they can create employment and all that. So it's also very intentional, and we've set out tenders that we think Buy Kenya, Build Kenya people can be encouraged on, it, like cables and the rest. We're actually hitting the target because over time we've grown manufacturers, we've attached our own engineers to help them build the standards, and I think it is going very well. And I think we've never failed. For the last 3 years, we always hit 40% and above as required by law, and I think KPLC is the most compliant amongst government institutions.
Ketesetai ko kakotuyogei benkitab KCB ak kampunitab Pesapal eng tetutiet noto itorchinigei kokanapta mung'aret ak boisionik chebo petrol stations eng emotinwekab East Africa. Eng koyonchinet nekoityi KCB ak Pesapal kowendi kampunitab Pesapal kokonu musoknotet nebo forecourt management solution eng kampunishek anan petrol station chesire 10,000 eng emotinwek choto bo East Africa eng tokyinetab kokanapta boisionik chik ak konyumnyum lipanetab rabinik eng petrol stations choto kaindochi kandeetab siyet eng koyonchinonoto Managing Director nebo KCB Anastasia Kimutai ak taunindet nebo kampunitab Pesapal ole kamwa ichek noto ko Augusta Liko chekamwa kole bendi koboisie tugul eng kibagenge asikoker kole kakikanapta boisionik ak mung'aroshek eng emet asikobit kwo tai uchumi ak bandab tai.
It's It's a very exciting moment, first of all, for us and Pesapal, and more specifically because when we say we believe in our people and you're here to solution to make it easy and seamless of our people, this partnership is going to do precisely that. That as the owner of business, you don't need to bother in terms of ability to track your consumption, ability to reconcile, ability to have your financial records on time so that you can actually engage each and every partner. You know, we're talking about efficiencies that is going to be brought through innovation. And that's why we collaborated and we've partnered with Pesapal so that our customers can actually enjoy seamless life as we innovate to meet their financial requirements. Absolutely. You know, we are a bank and we've been there for 128 years. If you have to be agile in responding to customer needs and customer requirements and to really live our values, then you need to collaborate and partner with the technology service providers. We call them the fintechs, so that you are agile enough in responding to the customer's requirement. Yes, we are very excited. We've been working over the years with Pesapal, and they've been our customers and we have grown together. So why not collaborate with a person who you already have an existing relationship and grow and be impactful for the benefit of the entire countries that KCB Group has presence. Thank you.
One of the biggest pain points that the customers in the oil marketing sector or the petrol stations have is access to capital. So step one of the partnership is we're working with KCB to make sure as customers digitize, as customers organize their day-to-day, they can get easy access to capital so that they can restock, so they don't run out of fuel. And then we're excited about the other products that we are working on. Step one is help the customer to digitize their business, to see how everything is going. Step two is make it easy for, in this case, the petrol station to click a button and to be able to access inventory. We'll help them with collections and all that stuff. Then we're working on more exciting things in future where you're looking at how does a matatu circle fuel, how does a corporate manage their fueling. We're working with the bank to digitize all this. With efficiency, everyone wins. And we've been working with KCB. They've always approved our loans. So we want them to approve more loans for our customers. Yes.
And we will do that, honestly. You look at the entire ecosystem and
Yes.
try to make it easy, convenient, you know, so that our customers can actually lead meaningful, impactful life. And you can be able to look at your business on the move, wherever you are, globally and regionally. Thank you.
Thank you.
Chekebe eng oretab agenge agoi county noton nebo Kericho ole tesetai chemung'arainikab bodaboda eng county noton bo Kericho ak lewenishetab ofisaek chelelach chebendi kondochin icheket ketichoto bo bodaboda eng kasuldaet ak yaetab boisionik choto chebo mung'aretab bodaboda eng county nebo Kericho. Kakomongei chongindab ketichoto bo bodaboda eng tetutyonoto tesetai eng kiwanjet noton nebo Kiprugut Chuma Stadium nemite taonitab Kericho ole mite sirindenyo Robert Siele ak chemung'arainichoto bo bodaboda eng county noto chemoche kong'alal ak inendet kotinygei ak tetutyonoto ak amune asikomach kolewen ofisaek chelelach ako tokchinigei ne eng kasuldaetab mung'arenywa. Ko Robert Siele ko angot kinyorwo ko tokchinigei ano tetutyoni eng kanaptaetab sekta noton nebo bodaboda ak ripsetab kalyet.
Kongoi mising kipendan yun studio nebo Kass TV anyorunen oret nekararan en nguni amiten en kiwanjet noton nebo Kiprugut Chuma Stadium nemiten en county nebo Kericho ole kong'eten karonetab betutab raini kaimuch komongei chemung'arainikab bodaboda en county nebo Kericho asikosuldaen imandanywan nebo kokwei kandoik chetetat kotelelchi icheket en kasarta nebo nekit kenyisiek 4 chemiten tai en boisionik cheterter chebo mung'aretab bodaboda en county nebo Kericho. Nai ile mung'aret noton nebo bodaboda ketienkei mising en loiset ak tetutik cheterter ole kikoib walet ak kanaptaet mising en en uchumi nebo emet ak en county nebo Kericho ole kikosir changindab neranik en boisionik noton bo komonut en icheket igorton nebo betab raini koker kole kaimuch kokwei kandoik chetetat kotelelchi icheket en tetutik cheterter asikonyor icheket kelchinoik kou yeikere en nguni ko amoche sikeng'alal ak kou yeikere en nguni Bentanui kotesetai biretab kura en nguni miten afisaekab ripsetab kalyet chetesetai ak kochikili koker kole kaimuch kotestai boisioniton en oret nekararan en komosta nebo kiwanjetab Kiprugut Chuma Stadium. En nguni kemiten ak alak en afisaek anan kabelik che echen missing cheiberchingei boroindo noton nebo ng'echerok cheterter en county noton nebo Kericho, ng'echeret noton nebo chairman en county nebo Kericho. Amoche sikobit koarorwech icheket kole tos une tetutiet nebo biretab kura en betab raini ako tos katestaita ano igori en betab raini. Itagat en ketesiet noton nebo Kass TV mongen amoe itaunen kainet kosubkei ak chito nekere en Kass TV en nguni imwa ile kikurenin ng'o ako kataundagei ano boisioni en betab raini.
Kongoi missing Robert Arap Shele amun kaoitu yutoyu kibiren kura. Kimi raini tarikit 18 kiwanjet nenyon nebo stadium kebire kuraishek chebo Ainamoi sub county. Anendet ko kwa chairman nebo Ainamoi sub county ako a chairman nebo county. So kura chekibire raini en ireu ko chebo Ainamoi sub county ne adefendeni ng'echeret kemi ak mwenzangu Peter Arap Kigen koborchingei akine ng'echeranito. Ako kimache kemwa kongoi en telelik anan biik chetelelchin uchaguzi ne kayab ofisit nyon nebo national nebo president nenyon Kevin Mubadi. Kemwa kongoi amun kikere organization nemi ireu kele kararan bwone riders ak ichek komongei komie kobir kura. Kemwa kongoi akere ale mi kalyet bire biik kura komie. Kelelen kityo sikotoretech Jehova nekamong en yu komie kemwoe kongoi amun akere ale mami shida age tugul. Kiweche kongoi kora amun kabwa sikobit kebaorian tugul kibagenge.
Ne tuguk chemokotin en chito nenyokobir kura sikonai chito nemiten gaa en betutab raini kole ne kimoche kotinye ne ketindoi pikipiki asikoik agenge en birikab kura.
Okay, ireu ko kakiyai lewenishet nebo Kericho County Boda Association Ainamoi sub county level. Ko requirement nebo riders chebwone kopire kura ko kimong'u kele icheket ko registanotin en Boda Association nebo county ako kit nekimokyingei koib kityo ko kitambulisho nebo the national ID kityo mami requirement age nesire noto. Kemwoe kongoi amun kikere kele kabwa man tugul kou noto ko kakimwochi kobwa kibandok mami kit age nekemokyingei. Kibandet inegen mara ak membership noto bo association kobir chito kura.
Mara en kasubik chekuket ko tos mara kakebaorchi kaimutik alak tugul mara kanyanyet kole mara manyorgei en listit nebo chemung'aranikab bodaboda ako mara ne kaimutik che mara kakobun akoi nguni.
Kangetou ko kamiten malalamishi kidogo kele miten listishek chebo stages chemabit lakini kakeshughulikanji ko kakobit listishek choto ako kakwo tai biretab kura en oret nekararan. Kemwoe kongoi so far ko makitinye challenge age tugul. Kemwoe kongoi kora security team nekakokonech security neyamatkei. Kitindoi security chebo national chairman, kitindoi security chechok chebo sub county. Kemwoe kongoi amun ensureni kole kararan kalyet en olebo Kericho county ak akure kora biikab bodaboda chebo Ainamoi sub county chetakomi stages olo ale obwan obir kura amun ngomi saa sita ak nusu yon kekere biretab kura sikonam koitisiet. Ko nibuch kemwoe kongoi. Kongoi missing.
Noton ko Edwin Koros nebo ng'echeret ne komandoi en nguni. Ole koi chito neikere Kass TV en nguni ame inai ile chuto ko kabelik che echen en ng'echeretab nebo ng'echeret en chairman nebo bodaboda en county nebo Kericho. Ole en kasarta nebo campaigns ko koimuch kebaorionji mara terchinoshek chemi barak baten betutab raini komiten tuan en kibagenge. Tos mangen ale kikurenin ng'o taunen nenyi kainet kikurenin ng'o ako une lewenishet akoi nguni.
Netai en kainutik kekurenon Peter Arap Kigen. Ane amokyinigei ng'echeretab chairmanship kiab the first chairman nebo Kericho County as well as Ainamoi. Ko kinganyokeyai lewenisiet en 2020 koib Edwin ko nguni kakiwek kora kiwanja kesom kora ketikab pikipiki sikesom mandate kora age nebo 5 years age. Nibuch ine ko mami ng'ala kikere kit age tugul kiwekyini korok kongoi our chairman national chairman noton nekebore Kevin Mbadi nekoker kole kaikai koyai bichu haki ko konyokotononji en njia nebo haki ako kikere kele wendi kit age tugul komie. Yes.
So mangen ale akoi nguni ko tos une tetutik chebo ripsetab kalyet mara kamiten afisaekab ripsetab kalyet chekachang kot missing ko kane kabwatetab alak en biikab emet ako kamanutietab afisaechu ko tos kane.
Netai ko kamagele kabwa asikari kele kami kinaribe kabwane kityo siko ensure ngole you know our national chairman is here, so got komi chairman for national row lazima ke protected, and then we have the interest of our chairman gora, and also the other thing ko kagima kityo keger kele kawa smooth kit age tugul. It is not kami chaos but kagima sikobit orderly in terms of voting. Nibujine kegere kele everything we thank our national chairman kabisa for the atua negonyo Kericho akoamwa kole keyai nguno ke elelewenishe. Yes.
Igere ko wanguke tetutioni sangapi ako ne kursengwong koityi missing ko chemung'aranikab bodaboda chemiten en kakenishet?
Kinomwoini biikab bodaboda omong'ugei kebir kura, omong'ugei tugul kabisa en chong'indo, omong'ugei Ainamo inyon sikemeke decision. This is an history. After all, ko Ainamo ini for a long time kotam komi a bigger competition en county ni tugul. Ot nigere South Rift na Ainamo the highest en ng'alekab campaign ak ng'alekab election. Anibuch na amoche ale omong'ugei kabisa, omong'ugei. Sait age nekemwa ile sait ata nebeku kura kamache alenjin kaechek ketegemeane riders kimuche kemwa sai lakini kigere riders kele but some of them among'u ale by saa 7 saa 8 ko we will be done by saa 8 tu ko kaketar sikinam kiit kura nibuch kegere kit agetugul kwendi according to the plans. Yes, thank you very much.
Pentanu kimiten kora en royu ak nebo ng'echeret anan president nebo kibagengeitab chemung'aranikab bodaboda en emoni noton ko Kevin Mubade ameche sikobit kororwech kole po kamanut netiana igorto nebo betutab raini. Karibu kwenye kituo cha Kass TV, Bwana Mbade, utueleze kuna umuhimu gani katika uchaguzi wa siku ya leo, na kama mwenyekiti umeonaje shughuli yenyewe?
Asante sana. Kwa kweli uchaguzi wa leo ni muhimu sana kwa maana itatupatia ule kiongozi ambaye atasimamia hii sub county, na ilikuwa lazima tuchague wa members wenyewe wachague mtu ambao wanamtaka, ambaye atawapeleka mbele kuanzia leo kuelekea tukisonga mbele kwa muda wa miaka 5 ijayo. So ni siku muhimu sana, kwanza kwa wanabodaboda wenyewe, si hata kwa viongozi, lakini kwa wale wanabodaboda wenyewe kwamba kujitokeza na ku-exercise their democratic right ya kupiga kura na kuchagua yule kiongozi ambaye wanamtaka.
Kwa hivi sasa shughuli imekuwa ikiendelea katika kaunti ya Kericho na sehemu mbalimbali nchini. Sijui kama wanabodaboda ni nini haswa mnahitaji, ni nini haswa inawasukuma mkue kitu kimoja wakati mnafanya shughuli zenu? Ni nini haswa mnahitaji serikali wasaidie?
Kwa kweli hii uchaguzi imeendelea katika area tofauti, lakini hii ni moja ya reforms za bodaboda ambazo tunafanya Kenya hii. Kwamba tunaendeleza reforms kuhakikisha kwamba sekta ya bodaboda imeheshimika, imejipanga na tunafanya vitu kwa mpangilio, na ndio maana tunahakikisha kwamba tunaweka wale viongozi ambao wamechaguliwa na watu waendeleze ile reforms ambazo tunafanya. Na pia ni muhimu sana serikali isimame na sisi kwa hii maneno ambayo tunafanya, na ndio maana unaona maaskari wako hapa pia kuhakikisha kwamba upande wa serikali tuna comply na kila kitu ambayo wanataka, uchaguzi kuwe amani, na tunashukuru kwamba vijana wa Kericho wamepiga kura yao kwa njia ya amani. Kulikuwa na mshike kidogo, lakini kama national channel ilipofika tulikaa na viongozi na tukatengeneza mambo, na sasa iko sawa kabisa, watu wanaendelea na kura zao. Ndio.
Kwa hivi sasa sana huwa wanabodaboda wanaambiwa waingie kwenye sako. Sijui kama mwenyekiti ni nini hasa unawaambia waendeshaji wa bodaboda kuhusiana na ushirikiano wa kufanya kazi pamoja na haswa kuingia kwenye sakos?
Kwa kweli sako ni kitu muhimu sana, na tunasukuma watu wajiingize kwa sako waweze kuwa registered ndio wajulikane. Na ukiangalia kule Nairobi tumeweka watu wote wanajiingiza kwa sako, na tuna print reflectors zenye ziko na numbers, na kila sub county iko na kala zake ambazo zina identify wewe unatoka sub county fulani, sako fulani. So kando na hiyo pia katika hali ya kujiendeleza lazima tukue na watu wakuwe kwa sako wasave pesa yao kidogo, kwa sababu huwezi jua mambo ya kesho. Sisi kama bodaboda unatoa tu kwa mkono kipeleka kwa mdomo, so lazima usave. Ndio maana in case kesho waanguke, uvunjike mguu ama umie, uko na kitu ya kukula badala ukue hapo mbengine unaanza kuomba unateseka. So nataka kuhimiza vijana, tafadhali wacha tuwekeze pesa zetu kwa maisha ya baadaye, kwa maana sisi huwezi jua kesho itakuwa namna gani. Yeah, so tunahimiza watu waingie kwa sako, wa save as much as they can. Kando na hiyo pia wa register to the national welfare, ukidial *789*2025# unajirejesha kwa national welfare. Pia ndio tusaidiane na hizi SACCOs. Wakati SACCO inakusaidia, pia sisi nationally tunakusaidia uweze kusort out shida zako haraka sana. Ndio.
Mwisho kabisa kwa Mbadi, kwa hivi sasa tunaelekea uchaguzi na campaigns labda itaanza mwaka ujao. Unawaambia nini hasa huwa wanafikiria wanabodaboda wanatumika sana kwa wakati wa kampeni na labda viongozi wakichaguliwa mahitaji yao hazizingatiwi. Unawaambia nini wanabodaboda?
Wanabodaboda kwanza, wakati tunaelekea katika hii uchaguzi tunahimiza amani. Kwa maana sisi ndio huwa tunatumika vibaya kwenda kufanya fujo. Kama mheshimiwa anataka kitu aenda aonyeshe mwenzake kwamba yeye ako na watu, kuintimidate. Most of the times ndio huwa tunatumika. Na unapata tunatumika kwa kulipwa shilingi 50, shilingi 100, pesa ambayo haiwezi kusaidia na umaribu jina ya bodaboda. So tuache mambo ya fujo, watu wafanye kampeni zao kwa amani, tukimaliza tupige kura kwa amani na tumaintain amani. Kenya ni yetu na sisi wote, kila mtu ako na uhuru ya kurule. Mtu akichaguliwa uone kwamba hawapeleki vizuri, ngoje hiyo season nyingine, toeni yeye mweke mtu mwingine. So wakati nchi inaendelea kwa uchaguzi, tuweke amani. Pia tunaelekea msimu wa Christmas, ambapo bodaboda wanafanya kazi yao haraka sana, wanataka kukimbia wapeleke mteja kuja chukue mwingine, kwa maana kuna watu wanaanza kutoka Nairobi wakikuja mashinani. Tuendeshe pikipiki vizuri, pole, tufike salama na turudi salama. Bado tunahitaji mwaka ujao. Ajali haina kinga ndio, lakini tunaweza kinga hii ajali kama tunaendesha pikipiki zetu kwa makini. Ndio.
Mwisho leo baada ya siku ya leo kutakuwa na mshindi na kutakuwa na yule mwenye ameshinda. Unawaambia nini wale wote ambao labda mahitaji yao ama mtu wao ambao alikuwa anaunga mkono siku ya leo hatapita?
Kwa kweli kama kuna mtu atashinda ama mwingine mwenye atashindwa, tunasema kwamba leo si mwisho wa kila kitu. Maisha lazima iendelee. Na katika kila kinyang'anyiro kina mshindi na kuna mwenye ameshindwa. So tukubali na tufanye kazi pamoja. Na nataka kuambia viongozi msintimidate wale wengine kwa sababu tunajua hapa kuna zile stages zingine zilikuwa zimesimama fahamu sisi ni watu wa fulani. So hiyo stage inajulikana hii ni ya mtu A ama hii ni ya mtu B. Tafadhali wewe ukiwa kama kiongozi jua wewe ni baba ya kila mtu. So usianze kuintimidate wale wengine useme hamuko kwa wangu, wote ni watoto wako, chukueni hao muendelee kusukuma kazi. Asante sana.
Asante, watakia mazuri. So chatan ko alak na visa ke jana maja korase ngalal ben tanu ya kagenge en Chicago birkura en betab raini ko rorwech kole tos kaune biretab kura en betab raini ako tos manganale ne kit ne kauanan tos procedure no betab raini ko tos kaune tagaten zinata nebo Kass TV amaje imwawech ile kikuren ngo ya kagenge en bik kai birkura kaune biretab kura.
Maya biretab kura wendi komie bye agere bire bi kura komie en kalyet.
Kani itu kitaunena no kakitebe nene.
Kakitebe stage nemi wati nebunu kunoton.
So nya kamangune ngi betab raini.
Kamangune ne baraini kimangu komang chemyache.
So pentanu chuto ko alak kou yekeren nguni ko boisiet netesetai nebo kamanut nebo biretab kura ole yekakotoi en royuton ni ko wirto en royana kurayat ak yeityo nyikesal siet en royu. Kamangunet anan nitok ko kabarunet anan boisiet ne inegen neiboru kole yookse imanda anan chengetab keker kele imuch keyai imanda en oret nekararan. Itakatin sinata nebo Kass TV mangen kikuren ngo ak arorwech kaibir kura.
Kikurenon Bernard Rop. My name is Bernard Rop. Kikurenon Bernard Rop. Amengindetab Kericho County kakebir kura sikobit keisten cham nekikenyoru en kasarta nekoi. So kibitu kele mi walet ako kimoe walet sikobit kenyoru uhuru nekikeboisien en keny. So kongoi.
So taunen nyanget kikuren ngo ako tos une biretab kura en betab raini.
Okay, kainutik kikurenon Victor Kiptoi kon ane ko asila nebo bodaboda en Kericho Town. So kinamwae ko kongoi en kasit nekoroibwech raini kewal en keker walutikab office ak kepangan office koik new ana ko kotko redeneni chito nekomi kemwoe kongoi kora. Tuguk tugul nekanyo ko ketoche kora. Ko kongoi, kimwoe kongoi en Kass FM amun akere ale omi komie en konaisiek tugul omach information tugul okochi emet ko thank you so much. Mungu awabariki. Thank you so much.
So petanu noto kityo ko kit neu en nguni ole kitesetai kisubi asikeker kele kaimuch keibu en logoiwek kyok chemiten tai mising ko kotinygei ak walutik chebetab raini asikengalal alak en chemung'arainikab bodaboda kotinygei ak magutik kit nemoche koba koyai kandoik chekilewen en sub county noton nebo Ainamoi mising ko en kasarta nebo kenyisiek somok akoi ang'wan chemiten tai ole kaikas kayang'alal alak en afisaek cheibeljingei boroinwek chebo nebo ng'echeret en sub county noton nebo Ainamoi ole kakomwa icheket kole katoigei boisionoton ako tesetai en oretab kalyet mamiten kaimutik alak tugul chekakebaorionchi kakiboisien kityo stage anan ketisiosiek chekibiren anan cheketen karisiek bodaboda ak kibandet nekimokyingei ole kakobir kura en oret nekararan. So amoche awekun soet Bernard Tanu konyo studio tesetai ak logoiwekab emet alak en studio noton nebo Kass Mashinani en Kass TV tugul awekyingei mising kasarta nekakenyor walutik.
Kongoi mising noto ko sirindenyo Robert Siele nemite county nebo Kericho kongololi ak chemung'arainik choto chebo boda kotinygei ak lewenisiet neyoe chemung'arainik chotok asikolewen ofisaek chelelach chebendi kondochin icheket ole kakong'alale icheket tuguk cheterter chetinyegei ak sekta noto nebo boda ak mung'aretab boda eng county nebo Kericho. Ko kounoto kebendi kamung'et nenwach asiyekiwege ketesta ak tetutiet nebo Kass Mashinani. Testai iker Kass TV amu kimnotet.